Now take problem number 11 in page number 3.15. This is problem on redemption of preference shares. This is a essay type question. You are given with all the informations in this problem. All the required informations are available. So what we have to do is, first we have to ascertain what is the amount of redemption and how the redemption is carried out. In this case, one additional information is also available that we have not practiced previously. In this question, it is given with bonus shares. So now first, the amount of redeemable preference shares given in the balance sheet in the question, that is 50,000 shares, and it is redeemed at a 10% premium, that comes to 5,000. So the total amount of redemption is 5,000 plus the premium. And how the 50,000 is utilized, that 5,000 shares are redeemed, 50,000 is used because of general reserve. That means that redemption is carried out with profit. So general reserve is used for creating the CRR. So first journal entry, general reserve account debtor to CRR, then redeemable preference capital account debtor, premium on redemption account debtor, redeemable preference shareholders, because we are going to pay the amount of 55,000, that is 50,000 plus 5,000 to redeemable preference shareholders. So we are passing the entry. Then another one is for investments. The amount of investment given in the question, it is given in the question, it is 50,000, and it is given that amount of investment is sold off, and to meet the cash requirements, the cash requirements of redemption, company sold a portion of investments so as to leave a minimum balance of 15,000. So what minimum balance of 15,000 after such a redemption? So what we have to do is, redemption is sold off and 50% redemption is sold off. Yes, 50% redemption is sold off. So total 50,000. On that 25,000 is redemption sold off. Okay, accordingly we are passing the entry. And 50% is sold off. But what is the given point here? That comes to 25,000. Investments were sold at 90% of the cost. So 25,000. On that 90% is sold off. Balance is loss on sale of investments, that we have to pass the entry. And another one is premium on redemption we are having, that is adjusted with the security premium, that you know very well. Then another one is we are given with the instruction that dividend has to be paid. Normally you know very well, dividend should be paid out of a profit. In point number 1, preference dividend for the year was paid before 31/3/2001. So normally dividend is paid out of a profit. So we have to pass the entry, dividend is expenditure, dividend account debtor to P&L. Then bonus issue is made. Okay, so for creating the bonus issue, we have to utilize the amount taken, we have to take the amount from CRR. So what is the entry? Normally CRR account debtor to bonus to equity share, and bonus to equity share account debtor to equity share capital. Accordingly we have passed the entry. Then we are given with some conditions, that is first number 1, that is for dividend. Second, redemption is carried out at a premium. Third one is to meet the case requirements of a redemption, to leave a minimum of 15,000 after such a redemption, that is also okay. Then except cash and bank balance, other current assets and current liabilities as on 31/3/2001 were the same as on 31/3/2000. So what we have to do is, the previous, that is for inventory, debtors, for all those things, previous amount is what? That one is maintained as same. Okay, so there is no change on inventory and debtors balance, that we should understand. And another one is, as far as the cash is concerned, I have showed the workings here. Total amount of cash balance given in the question, it is 25,000. We are given with the condition that 15,000 should be maintained in the final balance sheet. And also we are having the point that miscellaneous expenditure of 10,000 is given. Write off miscellaneous expenditure. So 25,000 minus miscellaneous expenditure 10,000 is deducted. Balance is 15,000. As per the requirement in the question, we are maintaining that 15,001. Point number 2, working number 2, that P&L account. The P&L account given in the existing balance sheet, that comes to 9,250, right? Plus current profit made during the year. It is also given in the question. First line in the adjustments. Company made a net profit of 7,500 after providing such items. So P&L account 9,250 plus current profit is 7,500. It is given in the question. So minus dividend paid. See, you know very well, dividend is paid only out of profit. So dividend of 5,000 is paid, deducted from that amount of a P&L. Then loss on sale of investments. We have passed the entry, right? So total amount of investment, if 25,000 we are going to sell, it is sold for 22,500. So the loss on sale, that comes to 2,500. Loss on sale of investments, that comes to 2,500. That is also adjusted with the P&L account. So final P&L account balance, that comes to 9,250. And another one which is called bonus issue. In what ratio they are giving the bonus issue? Normally bonus issue is made at some quantified ratios. Okay, so here the available CRR is fully utilized for giving the bonus issue. Okay, so first CRR account debtor to bonus issue, then bonus issue account debtor to equity share capital. Straightway you should not pass bonus to equity share capital, from where you are taking the amount for bonus, and that bonus to the equity capital. Accordingly we have to pass the entry, and all the given informations are accounted, and we have to prepare the balance sheet. For the preparation of balance sheet, you are given with redeemable preference share. Now that one is redeemed, so that will not be in the new balance sheet. Then the existing balance sheet, you are having 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. So that sorry, not 50,000, 5,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. That amount is taken, and there is a printing mistake in that question. 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, it is given, whereas the amount is 50,000 only. So it is supposed to be 5,000 equity shares. 5,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. That amount of equity shares brought into the new balance sheet, and we have calculated the bonus issue. That bonus, that comes to 50,000 rupees, that should also be entered in the new balance sheet. And for general reserve, total amount given is 60,000. Of that, 50,000 is utilized for creating the CRR. Now balance amount is shown. P&L account balance what we had, that is also shown in the new balance sheet. Sundry creditor, there is no change in sundry creditor as per the conditions given in the question. Now the balance sheet is supposed to be tallied. And another one is, as far as the fixed assets is concerned, the gross block of fixed asset is 1,50,000 minus already depreciation given in the question is 50,000. And now in adjustment, first before starting that adjustment, net profit after providing depreciation of 10,000, writing off miscellaneous expenditure, that is also adjusted against the fixed assets. So that the balance of a fixed assets, that comes to 90,000. Then finally the balance sheet is supposed to be tallied, right? So this is slightly typical. I won't say this is a very tough problem. This is a simple problem only, but slightly typical points are given in this question. So you practice the problem like this. Okay, this is the correct question for 15 mark problem, section C type.